So we're going to put the sealant back on. If you start at the top, the pipes are much thinner, so it's much easier to do. It just slips on like that. And then you're going to screw it just so it starts to be tight. You don't have to over tighten it because the screws are going to do a lot of the work. If you sort of have it in that sort of position, and then you can tighten these screws up to clamp it in place. Like so. Then connection wise, I've already got the cold feed connection and the filter piped up. So this is the pipe number 9 that comes separately in the box. So first job, this is the cold feed. So you're just going to connect that onto the other side there. Next you do the hot feed, although we don't actually have a hot connection here, so I'm just going to put an isolation valve on it. They're colour coded and numbered as well. And then you're going to start installing the connections. So we are looking for 4 and 5 to start with. These two, they connect into the Y piece, doesn't matter which way, which then you have a plastic pipe in between. It's better to have it shorter than longer, it just improves the flow of the water and it's not necessary to be long. Then that connects onto the pull-out hose here. That leaves us with 6 and 7. So 7 has the silicone washer in it rather than a rubber washer, and that one connects directly to the hot connection on the boiler. Hand tight should be plenty for most of these connections, but just make sure you test it. Number 6 goes on the cold side. And number 3 connects onto the filter. With these plastic connections, if you'll let me pick it up, they have a returning ring. Just goes in just to stop accidental disconnections. So you should have one either side of the filter and then one for every connection on the T-join. And that's it.